have called him off and on in our department for resolving issues, as well as for various discussing our curriculum, teaching schedules, and other things with him. And he has been so readily available for us. He has a gift of gab, and I wish that conversation and communication could be an important part of all these teaching training programs, and he could add a dimension on good communication skills in his address to all of you. And I also welcome all the faculties who joined us today, and all the students who are the most important ingredient of this conference. Without you, we know that we have sparkling students, the best in India come to AIIMS Bhopal, and they have made us proud on so many occasions. All of our students have got, most of them, almost all of them have got MCAs and DNBs in prestigious institutions, and we know that wherever they go, they will definitely they carry with them a culture and a training and a commitment that AIIMS Bhopal is proud of. They will make us proud, and these are the students who will sparkle in the next decade. I know all of them are so important to us, and also I am thankful to Johnson & Johnson people and my faculty team who have come here today morning to impart these skills. These tidbits, small little keys, tips, tricks that you learn, these go on with you all throughout your life. The basic skills are the most important skills. Whenever you will be in a dilemma or whenever you will be in a problem, you will have to resort to the basics. Set the basics right and everything will go right. And here you take a lot of skills which will remain to you and will define you as a surgeon.